So this is a young guy, almost 38. 2016 he had a meniscal repair, and then again playing, obviously he plays rugby and sports. He again completely brought his meniscus like that. Question is that, should we repair it again? Should we give it a go and try again to repair this? I have already reduced it by shaving off this area. I will shave a little bit here. Or should we do meniscectomy and then do meniscal transplant? At the age of 38, I do not feel doing a meniscal transplant for me is a good option. I like to repair, so I'll give it a go by repairing it. I'm just shaving a little bit here, tiny bit, to allow meniscus to drop down. Now let's see if it drops down. With the help of this method, if you can see, I managed to reduce the meniscus. It's sitting here. We'll give it a go. We'll attempt our best to repair this, and we're hopeful that if we can repair it, he will have his whole meniscus in place. But it's too early. We'll just see. So successfully repaired his meniscus. So 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches we have applied. You can see a meniscus which was coming out of the joint. I know there is a bit of floppiness, but I wanted to save his meniscus. I want to show another thing, that by doing that, you can see the whole part of the meniscus body is inside, and it's so important to save the meniscus rather than taking it out, even if it was a revision case. Thank you.